In this paper, we present Vid2Avatar, a method for the reconstruction of 3D avatars from videos in the wild via self-supervised scene decomposition. Given a single RGB video sequence, we reconstruct the detailed 3D surface geometry. However, reconstructing humans that move naturally and doing so from monocular videos is difficult. To solve this problem, one must accurately separate humans from arbitrary backgrounds, and one must recover detailed 3D surfaces from highly ambiguous inputs. Our method solves this problem by casting the problems of segmentation and surface reconstruction as a joint 3D optimization problem over the entire sequence. To disentangle the background from the dynamic scene, we model both as composited neural fields. Our method then learns the detailed 3D avatar and the background field jointly, without reliance on external segmentation tools. Taking RGB video and pose initialization as input, we apply a coarse-to-fine sampling strategy and sample points outside and inside of a spherical inner volume. Samples x, d from the inner volume are warped into a temporarily consistent canonical space, which contains the human, parameterized by SDF and texture networks. In this space, we leverage the evolving canonical SDF for surface-guided sampling. The resampled points are used to query the SDF and color values. We uniformly sample the outside volume. Then, we apply SDF-based volume rendering for the dynamic foreground and standard volume rendering for the background, and composite both components to attain the final pixel color. We compare these predictions to the input RGB observations, and jointly optimize the background model, the canonical human shape and texture, and per-frame human pose parameters, guided by novel scene decomposition objectives that lead to cleaner foreground separation. We compare our method to existing state-of-the-art approaches, ICON and Self-Recon, for the task of 3D human reconstruction. We first show the comparison on the 3D PW dataset. Both ICON and Self-Recon produce less detailed and sometimes physically implausible reconstructions. Here we can see the incomplete human bodies. In contrast, our method reconstructs complete human bodies and achieves a detailed and temporally consistent shape reconstruction. The results on our proposed SynWild dataset are consistent with the previous comparison. Our method produces a more complete human shape and recovers more surface details, such as cloth wrinkles. We further conduct qualitative comparisons on online videos. In this more general setting, our method performs consistently better than other baseline methods. We attribute the superiority of our method to the better decoupling of humans from the background by our proposed modeling and learning schemes. Here we show more of our results on in-the-wild monocular videos from different data sources. Our method is applicable to under-constrained online videos and even movie clips. Our method can generalize to different human shapes, garment styles, and facial features even under challenging poses and complicated environments, without requiring external 2D segmentation modules. The reconstructed 3D avatars can also be animated using novel pose sequences. In this paper, we present Vid2Avatar, a method to reconstruct detailed 3D avatars from in-the-wild monocular videos via self-supervised scene decomposition, and to achieve robust and detailed 3D reconstructions of the human even under challenging poses and environments without requiring external segmentation modules. a novel semi-synthetic testing dataset SynWild that for the first time allows comparing monocular human reconstruction methods with ground truth 3D annotations on realistic scenes. Thanks for watching.